So, you've got a Samsung Pencil and an iPhone, and you're wondering if you can make them work together. Let's get this sorted. First things first, iPhones and Samsung Pencils aren't directly compatible. The Samsung Pencil uses Wacom technology, which is specifically designed for Samsung devices and their software. iPhones use Apple Pencil technology, but don't worry. We're going to explore some indirect ways to achieve something similar. One option is to download a third-party note-taking or drawing app from the App Store that offers broad stylus support. Apps like Note a Shelf, Good Notes, or Concepts often have compatibility with generic styluses, which might mimic some functionality with your Samsung Pencil. Search these on the App Store to find them and click Install. Once you have downloaded the app, open it. Most apps offer a tutorial on how to adjust settings to optimize stylus input. Navigate to the settings and experiment with pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition if available, as this might allow your Samsung Pencil to function to a degree similar to how it works on a Samsung device. Another option is to consider purchasing a generic capacitive stylus. These styluses are designed to work with any touchscreen device, including iPhones. While they won't offer the advanced features of a Samsung Pencil, they will allow you to write and draw on your iPhone screen. You can find those on Amazon or other online retailers. And that's it. While you can't directly connect your Samsung Pencil to your iPhone for all its features, these workarounds can provide a reasonable alternative for note-taking and basic sketching. Good luck.